Hi everybody, welcome back to my Fleatale finds. So this is another one of the trays that I purchased. I purchased these from a collector. I purchased a number of them, and most of the pieces have been sold to other collectors. I just wanted to show you the jewelry that I purchased and tell you a little bit about some of the pieces. This would be referred to as my faux coral tray. It's featuring pieces that are in the coral tones, but not coral. They are glass or just have the appearance of coral. So let's start with this wonderful necklace. So this is set in a prong set, sort of like a prong. It's filigree. The entire necklace is done the same way. It's done with colored glass, and this is most likely done during, I would say, the late 20s, early 30s, and this is all art glass. Then there is this piece, which was probably done sometime during the late 40s. Again, has the look, so this is Austrian crystal, has the look of carved coral. It's like a plastic, but just a lovely, almost as though you could smell it, dress clip, and which would have been worn in the center of a woman's dress, or if she had two, she could wear them on the sides. Then there is this cameo. This is a carved shell cameo, and this is one of the earlier ones. It's set in sterling, and it's hard for you to see, but they're all teeny little balls that are filigree, and they're referred to as canatia. And it's actually a French word. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly, but that is what it is. And this is the back of the piece, and really nice, lovely detail. Then here's a wonderful early Moroccan Bedouin piece with nice detail, and again, a design that is carried all the way through. And a lot of these were bought back as souvenir gifts. This one happens to be a really nice vintage piece. Then there is this cute little elephant. He was made to look sort of like he has marcasites, which are silver in color. It's actually made with little gold pieces of metal inlaid, and that's what gives it its sparkle. Then there are these earrings, which are Vendôme. These are from the 50s, I would say. They're signed, and that great color. Then this is something that's sort of unusual. Now, I don't think that it's very, very old, but this is a gift that a seller from many, many, many years ago would have made for a loved one, almost like a sweetheart gift. It's made in the shape of a heart, and with shells, everything that he might have had accessible to him to bring back as a gift for his loved one. Then here's a spectacular, so this is from the, I would say, 1920s, and this is a belt that can be worn as a necklace. And just look at all of the unbelievable detail. So again, it looks like coral and carnelian. Now this is all glass and just done incredibly. And again, can be worn as a necklace or a belt. And then here's a really great piece. This is I believe it's a Nettie Rosenstein piece. It is a fur clip, and she was known, one of the designers known for making figurals, and it has wonderful enameling on it in different colors, and it just goes with this whole color scheme. And I could see wearing this on a shirt, on someone's shoulder, just a very eye-catching, very appealing piece. And then I have these also very nice. This is glass, so it doesn't seem like a Niger piece, but it is of the period, I would say 1920s, and this is glass. This is a more modern piece, but just has the same kind of color. Just lovely. And then here is a coral glass piece, and one could actually wrap that and even wear this somehow on it as a center pendant. And then there are these dangly, lovely, colorful, dangly pieces. And then here is another color necklace of the same type of coloring and just very appealing looking. So this is my faux coral jewelry. Next, I'm going to show you the real coral that came in this group. Thank you for joining me. I hope you've learned something, and I look forward to seeing you back with my next group of vintage jewelry. Bye.